Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak here available to take one more application of potentiometer, that is comparison of resistances. So today we are going to see one more application of potentiometer in which we will see today comparison of resistances. Here we will take two resistances for the comparison of their resistances. So see the circuit diagram in the beginning very carefully. To understand the circuit diagram, so focus here on that circuit diagram, first on the red portion of it. See, it is point A, terminal A, through which 1 meter wire. See the pen here. Now copper strip is this, another 1 meter, copper strip, 1 meter, copper strip, then another meter. This is terminal B. Here in this diagram, potentiometer of length 4 meter is used. A potentiometer of wire 4 meter is used, and this wire is made up of either Constantan or manganese of standard wire gauge of 22 or 24. We may use 26 number wire gauge also in this case to do this experiment for the Constantan or manganese wire. So 4 meter wire in mounted on wooden frame, provided two terminals A and B. So this is a potentiometer. In this potentiometer, see how it is connected. See in this side, focus in the red side. Here is a B1 battery standard cell is. Their positive ends is connected with A. Thereafter, this is standard key K1 in the standard circuit. Rheostat in first rheostat RH1 in the standard circuit. Thereafter, its last terminal is connected, ends is connected with second end of a potentiometer. See my dear carefully students, when we press the key K1, a current will flow in that, and see in the closed path this current run through the potentiometer on pressing the key K1. See, let me write, when K1 key is pressed, current flow in potentiometer. See, now again focus here on the diagram. See, this is a very complicated circuit, so see very carefully here the second part of it, then you can connect in your lab and you can understand. First it is required to understand, then you can do this experiment only and only, right? See in the green part, here are two resistances, R1 and R2 is connected. These are a terminal provided to take a connection. These two terminal is connected with the standard cell whose EMF is B. In the main circuit it was given V1, but here is a E. Thereafter this key K2, it is a rheostat, second rheostat in the circuit. Thereafter it is connected with this. This is the closed path, closed circuit. Clear? It is clear. So two separate closed circuit is here. One closed circuit of potentiometer, another closed circuit of two pair of resistances whose whose resistances we have a compare R1 and R2. Now see carefully what is required to do. Now 4 more key are presented. We are doing this experiment in 2 part. We do experiment in 2 part. We are going to see in first part what we will do. First part. Now focus again in the diagram to see the first part. See, my pen is here. Here is one key. This key is K3. Right? K3 key is pressed. First of all, this K3 key is pressed. This is passes through the first resistance. This first resistance here connected with this terminal, here in it K4 key it is. Now this K4 key passes through it. Here it is connected with a galvanometer. Thereafter it is connected with the jockey. See third closed circuit from here. See my pen how it is moving. This key is pressed. See, this is closed circuit. So here potential, a current I is flowing it. Let. So what is the potential in the resistance? This is the first half circuit, and jockey slide over the potential point and null point is obtained. Right? And the null point is obtained. Now see, let me write what we have done. Here see in the first part. Main circuit. CKT understand for circuit. Main circuit K1 key is pressed. This is in circuit 1. Main circuit loop is represented by 1. Now second loop is this green closed, and K2 is closed. Two circuit we closed. First of all, thereafter we will close, press key K3 and K4. So 4 key pressed and slide jockey on potentiometer wire and get null point. Null point means no deflection in a galvanometer. If deflection in galvanometer is much more, then you are requested to shunt it. Right? Shunt the galvanometer to limit the deflection in a galvanometer. Null point is obtained. Now see, when you are getting a null point at point G, null point at J, then you calculate distance. This is 1 meter and this distance. So this is total distance is 1 plus 1 means 100 centimeter. If you are taking centimeter plus this centimeter, this is a total length. When we are able to calculate, see the physics. This is a loop now 3 it's formed. third loop. The potential gradient potential flowing in main potential wire due to the battery V1 and potential flowing in VIR if equal and opposite, then null point is obtained. In that condition, net potential flowing in loop 2, that is IR1, is equal to KL1. This IR1 can be written as a potential flowing in this. See the potential flowing in it, IR1. This is the potential flowing in it. It is equal to the potential gradient here and the length obtained here. In this case, let it is equation number 1. This first part of experiment is over. Now we are going to see second part of experiment. Second part of experiment. Before we start the second part of experiment, now see in here diagram. Now see the second part of experiment. You are requested to open the key K3 and K4 once you are getting null point in the first case. Now see, in the second part, K3 and K4 open. Now first see, this is one more key, K5. Now see the connection. Press K5 and come here, K6. This key press, K5, K6, and now it will come through this. In that condition, student, second resistance will come into the operation. So you are requested to press. Now see here, this is continued. Once more we are main circuit K1 and main circuit K1 key, and in loop 2 key K2 is pressed. Pressed mean on. Now press this K5 and K6 key. See here, press K5 and K6 and once more obtain the null point J. Suppose we are getting a null point and obtain null point. See, now both principle of potentiometer act here, principle of opposition of 2 EMF, and the potential is directly proportional to length trapped. Both is hold. How? If again it is obtained, this is null point, obtain the new length. So if it is null point is obtained here, so it passes 1 meter, 2 meter, then this part. 2 meter means 200 centimeter. Suppose it is a 20, so 220 centimeter is a length. And which two potential here opposed? Here the potential flowing in now here in this part, let's see, we will take this length L double dash, sorry, this length here, right? So 1 meter, 2 meter connection is here, it is a 3 meter, 3. So if it is here 20, so it's become 80, 280 centimeter. This is the part, and total potential gradient is flowing in that. So this part of potential in main circuit opposed by this part. Then null point is, that is why null point is obtained. Then we can write mathematically potential difference flowing in second resistance R2 is equal to, it is here in the loop 2, this part you may say in this IR2 potential is flowing in it, right? This is equal to K L2, total L2. It is represented by equation 2, right? We may divide equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2, we have R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2. So by calculating L1 and L2 with the help of experiment, it can be obtained, right? The precautions are same before starting the operations. First of all, see the circuit diagram very carefully. If you have any problem, you rewind and see, right? It will be more applicable if all the apparatus are available in front of you in the lab. So see the video, adjust according to that. Clear? When you are connecting the wire using the connection wire, both ends you are requested to wash by sandpaper, to rub by sandpaper and then tight. Make all the terminal tights. Rheostat, once you are required their terminals, you wash by petrol and sandpaper to remove any type of non-conductivity material deposited on that. Do the experiment. Here this potentiometer wire, use uniform wire. You are requested not rub the jockey over this. You are requested gently slide over it. And see one more thing. All key, 6 key is used here in this case. You press till only you are going to get reading. Otherwise, all key you keep open. In that, if it is closed, unnecessary heat will produce that will change the resistance of wire and will give a wrong reading. So hope you will enjoy. I hope you are enjoyed this explanations and will perform in your lab and will do. Numerical questions are also asked by it. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day to all.